So the first thing that you're going to need is you are going to need what I call financing and business development. If you are starting, how are you funding your start? If you're expanding, how are you going to be funding that expansion or your automation project? Because these are projects, okay? These are business projects. And so you got to know how you're going to fund that. And then when it comes to the business development side of things, that's where we get into licensing, we get into the funding options, we get into, you know, buying or building, location, finding the right location, because you just don't want to just plop your childcare business anywhere. You want to plop it in a place and plant your childcare business in a location that is going to be profitable. These things have to be in place for you to get results. And that's what I'm talking about to you today, is getting results, right? Getting results. Are we getting results? Just like I said in the beginning, but just like we know how to get results for the children, okay, you got, and let me just say this, y'all get plenty of that training out there. You guys know all about child development, but you know, what's missing is that there's not enough information about business development, about developing yourself as a CEO.